In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on sensitive content warning on your MacBook. This feature helps detect and warn you about potentially sensitive or explicit content. Let's get started. First, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen, then select System Settings. Once System Settings opens, scroll down in the left sidebar and click on Privacy and Security. Now on the right side, scroll all the way down until you find Sensitive Content Warning. Click on it. Here you'll see a toggle switch. If it's turned off, simply click the toggle to turn it on. Once enabled, your Mac will start warning you or blurring sensitive content in supported apps. That's it. Simple and useful if you want extra protection while browsing or using apps. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick and practical Mac tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.